Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing grammar lesson number 10 simple tenses. So, in a previous video, we have completed simple present tense with extra exercise. So today first we will revise that and then we will go through the next topic, that is simple past tense. So let's see. Before starting simple past tense, let's see our quote. That is, the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Means, what are you thinking? That totally depends. Now, simple present tense. So, as I told you, what are tenses? How many types of tenses are there? Do you remember? I am giving you time of few seconds to remind the previous videos in which I told you how many types of tenses are there and name them. Okay? I am giving you time of few seconds to remind that. So, I hope now you have remembered that how many types of tenses are there? Yes, there are total 3 types of tenses. 1. Present tense, 2. Past tense, and the last one is future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Yes. So, what is the meaning of present tense, past tense, and future tense? That also I explained you in both the videos, in both the previous videos. So, again, I am giving you time of few seconds to remember that. Okay. So, I hope your mind is working now, that what we have learned in our previous video. What is present tense? Present tense means a current time, a current situation. What is a past tense? Past tense means time which is passed away. Past tense means a time which is passed away. And future tense means time which will come. Future tense means time which will come. So, regarding these 3 tenses, I gave you one very simple example. Regarding these 3 tenses, I gave you one very simple example. So, which example was that? Who is going to tell me? I am giving you again time of few seconds to recalling your mind, to connect your mind with our previous video. Try to remember which example I have given you. In both the videos, I told you the same example. Okay? Try to remember it. So, what is present tense? Means the current time. So, which example I gave you for that? Yes, you are in the 4th standard. That is your current time. Past tense means time which is passed away. Means you were in the 3rd standard. And future tense means time which will come. Means you will be in the 5th standard. That is your future tense. So, there are How many types of these tenses? Three types of tenses: past, present, future. In that also we are going to study about simple past, simple present and simple future. In this lesson we are going to study about simple present, simple past and simple future. So about simple present we have already learned. So let's revise what is simple present tense. Definition of present tense: the tense which expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. What is present tense? The tense which expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. What is present simple? What is the use? We use the present simple to talk about routines. We use the present simple to talk about routines. For example, I usually wake up early. I usually wake up early. Then, the main four use of simple present tense: facts means reality, habits and routines, feeling and emotions, and general truth. For example, I live in Poland. I live in Poland. They swim every day. They swim every day. Then, feeling and emotions. They like pizza. They like pizza. Then, general truth: Sunday comes after Saturday. Sunday comes after Saturday. Then, how to form sentences in simple present tense, how to form positive sentence, how to form negative sentence, and how to make a question. So, positive form, how to make: subject plus verb. So, subjects are he, she, it plus verb. Then I, you, we, you or they plus verb. Then how to form negative sentence: subject plus does not or do not plus verb. He, she, it plus does not or the short form doesn't, does not or doesn't plus verb. Then I, you, we, you, they plus do not or the short form don't plus verb. Then how to make a question? So while you are making a question, do not or does not will come first, the subject in the middle and the verb at the last. Does plus he, she or it plus verb and at the end question mark. Does plus he, she or it plus verb at the end question mark. Then do plus I, you, we, you, they plus verb. Do plus I, you, we, you, they plus verb at the end question mark. Then we have seen this with example where you have to make changes, where you need to make changes that I have already written with red color. So let's see. I leave. I don't leave. Do I leave? You leave. You don't leave. Do you leave? He leaves. He doesn't leave. Does he leave? She leaves. She doesn't leave. Does she leave? It leaves. It doesn't leave. Does it leave? We leave. We don't leave. Do we leave? You leave. You don't leave. Do you leave? They leave. They don't leave. Do they leave? So, after that, we have solved one extra exercise. So, let's see. Mahek lives in Dubai. Mahek lives in Dubai. Rahul plays piano. Rahul plays piano. Let's see. Mahek lives in Dubai. Rahul plays piano. Mahek lives in Dubai. Rahul plays piano. Then next is I wave to my sister. I wave to my sister. I drink lemon juice. I drink lemon juice. Then number 5. My dad builds boat. My dad builds boat. Number 6. Mother cooks biryani on every Sunday. Mother cooks biryani on every Sunday. Then number 7. Sneha turns on the light. Sneha turns on the light. Number 8. She drives too fast. She drives too fast. Then number 9. The dog barks at the stranger. The dog barks at the stranger. Number 10. Every night I read a book. Every night I read a book. So my dear students, in a previous video we have completed till here. So now let's begin the next topic, that is the simple past tense. The simple past tense. So let's see what is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate those actions which began in the past time and also got over in the past time. Simple past tense is used to indicate those actions which began in the past time and also got over in the past time. Means an action which started in the past time and which ends in the past time. For example, you were in 3rd standard. You were in 3rd standard means That action started in the past and it also ended in the past. So, that is called simple past tense. Now, what is the use of simple past tense? How can we use? We use the simple past tense to talk about what happened at a definite time in the past, means at some particular time. We use the simple past tense to talk about what happened at a definite time in the past. There are some common expressions we use. There are some common expressions we use. Yesterday, last night, a month ago, last week, yesterday afternoon, etc. Yesterday, last night, a month ago, last week, yesterday afternoon, etc. These are the words which we used in simple past tense. So, how it changed? It is a simple past tense, same like a simple present tense. In simple present tense, we are not using am, is, or are. In simple past tense, we are not using was, were, anything. Okay? So, how to change words from base form or the simple past? Okay? These are the past participle which you don't need to learn now. You need to learn only base form and a simple past. Select, selected, select, selected, selected, same. Smoke, smoked, smoked, smoke, smoked, smoked, snore, snored, snored, snore, snored, snored, stare, stared, stared, stare, stared, stared, start, started, started, start, started, started, study, studied, studied, study, studied, studied, talk, talked, talked, talk, talked, talked, thank, thanked, thanked, thank, thanked, thanked, travel, travelled, travelled, travel, travelled, travelled. So now, my dear students, I am giving you a time to write down this table in your rough book one time. Write down this table in your rough book one time. Okay? Note it down. I am giving you a time of few seconds. So I hope you have completed, and if you don't have completed it, don't worry, I'm repeating it again. So if you have missed any word, you can write it. Okay? Base form, simple past and past participle. That is the heading. Base form, simple past and past participle. So let's see. Select, selected, selected. Smoke, smoked, smoked. Snore, snored, snored. Stare, stared, stared. Start, started, started. Study, studied, studied. Talk, talked, talked. Thank, thanked, thanked. Travel, traveled, traveled. Then next is trouble, troubled, troubled. Trouble, troubled, troubled. Type, typed, typed. Type, typed, typed. Use, used, used. Use, used, used. Visit, visited, visited. Visit, visited, visited. Wait, waited, waited. Wait, waited, waited. Walk, walked, walked. Walk, walked, walked. Want, wanted, wanted. Want, wanted, wanted. Want, want, want. Want, want, want. Wink, winked, winked. Wink, winked, winked. Yell, yelled, yelled. Yell, yelled, yelled. So my dear students, I am giving you a time of few seconds to complete your work. So I hope you have completed this. So on a new page, give heading of irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. So what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs that undergo substantial changes when changing forms between tenses are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs that undergo substantial changes when changing forms between tenses are irregular verbs. The changed forms of these verbs are often unrecognizably different from the originals. The changed forms of these verbs are often unrecognizably different from the originals. Means it is different from the originals sometimes. So first give heading, make 3 columns, base form, simple past, past participle. Base form, simple past and past participle. So let's see. Be, was, were and been. Be, was, were, been. Then beat, beat, beaten. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become, become, became, become, begin, began, begun, begin, began, begun, bet, bet, bet. That will remain the same in all the things. Bet, bet, bet. Bite, bit, bitten. Bite, bit, bitten. Break, broke, broken. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Bring, brought, brought. Then build, built, built. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Burn, burnt, burnt. Buy, bought, bought. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Come, came, come. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Dug, dug. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Do, did, done. So my dear students, I am giving you a time to complete this work. Now this one. So my dear students, today we will do till here only. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next session with the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.